Hey guys, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel, Brave Ziva Nails. If you haven't heard the good news, Brave Ziva Polish is now Bases Loaded Lacquer. We have rebranded. I am so excited, and a huge shout out to Ginger over at Gels and Gems. I will link her YouTube channel below. Mr. Gels and Gems made this stunningly beautiful intro video for me. It's so beautiful, I'm showing it to you twice, and the second time I'm slowing it down to half speed just so I can talk because I'm terrible at voiceovers. Anyway, go give Ginger a follow. She's trying to get to 10K by her birthday. She does absolutely stunning nail art. Personally, I don't do gel polishes, but her nail art is worth the price of admission alone. Okay, thanks to Ginger and Mr. Gels and Gems for this absolutely stunning intro video. I'm obsessed with it. So go follow me all over the social medias at Bases Loaded Lacquer. What are we doing today, you guys? I have a humongous 2020 Black Pumpkin Sale launching tonight, October the 29th at 9 p.m. Eastern. And oh, by the way, I also have a brand new collection called Netflix and Kill. If you are a true crime junkie, if you love all things Moida, this is the collection for you. I am flipping excited. Every polish in here is a total banger. And yes, my swatchers bent over backwards for me for this collection, from their bottle shots to their editorial shots to their little scenes that they set up. And I'll have links to all my swatchers in the description box below. The ones that I believe I have featured in this video are Nina, Jennifer, Tiffany, and I believe Michelle. And then the rest of the swatches that you're going to see are all mine. But I will have links to all of my swatchers' Instagrams in the description box below. Y'all seriously have to go check out their work. It's absolutely stunning. So thanks to all my ladies for hooking me up with these stunning swatches and these beautiful photos. I cannot thank you enough. I'm so excited about this collection. So let's jump right into swatches. Up first, we have Soul Beneficiary, which is described as a black Crelly loaded with green sparks with flashes of red microflakies and gold, green, copper, red shifting UCC multi-chrome flakies. This polish is a stunner. Of course, it has a black base, but you pick up a ton of green. So I sort of went the money route, so to speak, Soul Beneficiary, folks who knock off loved ones, to get that bag, you know what I'm saying? To get that insurance money. Soul Beneficiary is opaque for me in 2 coats, and then all of my little finger waggle videos, once I finish swatching, I have a glossy top coat on. So that's my finished mani with the glossy top coat, and look at it matte, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely stunning. Next up, we have Murder Mama, which is a deep red jelly with copper sparks, gold hollow micro glitters, and jade to purple shifting UCC multi-chrome flakies. Y'all, the sparklies and the flakies in this are absolutely to die for. They look like little encrusted jewels. Wait till y'all see my swatch photos, especially the matte versions. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely beautiful. It's opaque for me in 2 coats. And so you'll see it coming up with a glossy top coat. And then again, in my swatch photos, I do have it matte. Oh my gosh, I gag. I absolutely am obsessed with Murder Mama. Next up, we have DNA. You guys, DNA is unicorn flaky heaven. Look at all of these flakies. Officially, DNA is described as a green, blue, purple multi-chrome base with light blue shimmery microflakies, rainbow shifting micro shreds, and these stunning iridescent unicorn flakies. DNA is opaque for me in 2 coats because, as y'all know, I am a thick coat gal. I like it thick. If it's a little bit on the sheer side for you, you can either go in for a 3rd coat or put it over a dark base. These sheer multi-chromy flaky polishes do look absolutely stunning over a dark base. So just, you know, do what feels right. My swatch photos, I'm obsessed. I could not stop taking pictures of these absolutely gorgeous flakies in every lighting situation, especially the low lighting situation. I went ham. Sorry, I went ham with the swatches. I couldn't get enough, and I hope y'all love this as much as I do. And look at it matte. I'm dead. And now let's roll into AB negative. You guys, I have been trying literally for years to mix and create the absolute perfect FMR, which is blank me red. It is sexy. It is stunning. It is a hand grabber. And for me, it is one coat, honey, one coat. Several of my swatchers, I think, did use 2 coats, but that's just, you know, to make sure that they cover their visible nail line and all that kind of stuff. AB negative, it stamps, it water marbles. It's absolutely stunning. Perfect for the holidays. You guys, have you seen a better Christmas red? Come on. And this is Luminol, one of my top picks from the collection. Absolutely beautiful. It's a black tinted base loaded with purple shimmer, silver hollow microflakies, and gold to green to red to copper shifting UCC multichrome flakies. It absolutely glows. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with Luminol. Again, it's one of my top picks, and I hope you guys are obsessed about this polish as I am. And I think several of you are, from what I've heard in the group. Again, Luminol is opaque for me in 2 easy coats. The flakies and the micro flaky, they behave, they lay flat. There's really no visible or noticeable texture. Opaque in 2 coats because there's a lot going on in this polish, and quite frankly, it covers the nail. What you're going to see in this first still swatch photo, my index finger only has 1 coat because I paused my swatches so that I could take this picture because I was absolutely gagging over that purple shimmer. And then I did like a little video to show you guys the hollow, because sometimes the hollow doesn't really come through very well in still shots because it has to be, obviously hollow needs bright light, direct light on it. And oh my gosh. So yeah. I apologize if this little polish in motion vid is a little bit long, but I wanted to blow your hair back with this hollow, honey, and I think I've done it. The flakies in here, it's got the perfect amount of those UCC flakies. It's absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. You're probably going to hear that a lot in this video. I'm freaking obsessed. And look at it matte. Look at this polish matte. It's beautiful. The flakies are standout matte. And of course the hollow is a standout glossy. So anyway, moving right along. Now let's head on into No Alibi. Stick with me here on these swatches, y'all, because I actually swatch it for y'all twice. And you'll see why in a sec. But No Alibi is a multi-chrome jelly that shifts gray, red, purple, gold, and green with red and purple sparks and gold hollow micro glitters. And actually, this is a magnetic polish. I'll talk about that in just a sec, but I wanted to show you guys my swatches. I swatch it first just in my underneath my regular lighting. I don't know. Multichromes are hard. It's hard to show the shifts of a multichrome polish under super bright lighting. So my second round of swatches, I kind of do half in the dark. I did turn off one of my 2 lamps, but as you've already seen, I'm swatching this over black on my middle nail. This is the most sheer of the group. I will go ahead and tell y'all. So please feel free to throw this over a super dark base. Multichromes typically look better over dark bases anyway, but because of the micro glitters in here, I mean, it's sparkly, it's stunning, and I absolutely love this. But I didn't try to really fart around with the magnetic pigment in here, but one of my swatchers, Jen actually did get a beautiful magnetic design. And you'll see Jen's magnetic swatch in just a few seconds. I put her after my swatches of all my shiftiness. But I really wanted to show you guys the shifts in this polish, only using 1 lamp. So I'm kind of half of the dark, like I said. But look at all the shifts in this polish. It's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of one of the sleepers of the group, I think, because, I don't know, you kind of look at it in the bottle and you're like, meh, you know, okay, but what can it do? Hopefully I showed you guys in this in my swatch video here what this polish can do. Again, try it on different dark bases. And of course in bright light, the hollow micro glitters are really going to pop. Again, I'm really feeling like this could be a possible sleeper of the group. So grab it if you're into multi-chromes and you're into different shifts. I absolutely love like the gray and the gold shift in here, even sort of reddish, like red to gold. I don't know. It's beautiful and I love it, and I hope y'all do too. Last up in the collection, we have Scalpel. Scalpel is a silver metallic. It's beautiful on its own, will make an absolutely perfect base for nail art if you're into that sort of thing. And again, the holidays are coming up, so think about the tinsel and the sparkle and all the silvery things happening. This would be beautiful with like blue snowflakes stamped on or something like that. So I'm showing it to you guys here in 2 coats. You can also, if brush strokes are kind of a problem for you, you can always very lightly sponge on a final coat, and that'll sort of help camouflage a few of those brush strokes for you. I personally didn't show you, I don't even think I took a straight up swatch photo of this for this video, because I knew that I could use one of my swatchers photos for this YouTube video, which I did. And this is from the lovely Michelle Bean Rose. So this is Scalpel, but I did do some nail art and I mattified it. So that's what Scalpel looks like matte. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget, Black Pumpkin starts tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern. And all of these polishes are going to be on sale, you guys. All of these polishes are included in the sale. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know which polish or polishes you are most excited about. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.